Hi, I'm Aiman, and welcome back to one of my unboxing videos. In today's video, I'm going to be doing some unboxings for some machinery that I have. Namely, my CNC router, right here, which I also did an unboxing on if you're interested. And my laser cutter. So over here I have some packages I got from Amazon that I'm going to be using with these machinery. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing of them real quick. So the first thing I got is an MDF spoil board for about $12. The purpose of this is to be a sort of underlayment on which the CNC router can chip away at the material, just so it's not on an aluminum bed that could possibly damage the tip if it goes all too deep. So the purpose of this is to be like material that can be chipped away in the case that the head goes all the way to the bottom. So that would go right here. And it's made specifically for this router, although it could apply to a lot of routers. So the bed fits it quite perfectly. And then it screws in using these T-nuts. Pretty cool. Next thing I got was some clear acrylic for my laser cutter. What started me getting these sheet goods was I was actually talking to my brother-in-law, Teddy, and he was interested in doing some projects with me. So I got 2 sheets of acrylic. So I bought these in advance for when I want to start these projects. You can see it's more like frosted acrylic rather than clear acrylic, but this will still serve me properly. Next up, with my CNC router, I did this at Harvard, is I'm going to be using it to make some PCBs out of copper. So I'm going to take this copper, put it on my CNC router, tape it in place, and I'm going to mill out some printed control boards or printed circuit boards on out of copper. So I'm going to design it, and then this is going to cut away at it. So if you ever want to see me do a video of that, maybe I'll do a video on it in the future. But that's just something I have ready for it. Next up is some more acrylic sheets. That I'm just going to be using for various projects. But it's nice to have the choice, the option of using these sheet goods in the future. Even if I don't use them now, I just want to have multiple colors in case I need them. Alright, so here are the colors. Looks like it's very dominant in the reds and the blacks. I would have preferred more yellows and oranges, but this is a pretty good selection. Let's peel off one. Actually, I'm going to save this one for later. Let's peel off the white. So this is, I think, 1/8 inch acrylic. And it's about 12 inches by 8. Look, it's pretty good. Definitely gonna fit within the bed of my laser cutter. And then lastly, I bought a extra big sheet of black acrylic in case I need to do some more larger format projects. Alrighty. And it also comes packaged similarly to the spoil board. There we go. It's also 1/8 of an inch. I have no idea what Zintal is. Alright. Alright. So this is going to be a bit reflective, so I'm going to be a bit careful. There we go. So, black acrylic. This one definitely is still going to fit within the confines of my laser cutter. Alrighty. So that's pretty much it for this video. I want to do a little unboxing showing you, it's more like a vlog, showing you what I've been getting for my fabrication machinery. So this is supposed to be a little teaser to show you the cart that I'm working on and the sort of things that I'm going to be doing with this cart over the next few months. So if you're interested in watching my maker journey, go check out my future videos, which I'm going to be using this cart and this machinery more. But for now, I hope you take care. I'm Aiman, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I've got videos on Aiman, especially the videos on product unboxings, and I'll see you in the next one. In the next video, I'm going to be unboxing this power strip. So go check that out in the next one. Signing out. Peace.